believe that?
Yes.
Do you believe that?
Yes.
Yes. No. Give me some. Clap for yourselves. Clap for yourselves again. One more. Alright, thank you. So as we proceed, you know peace is very essential. Essential commodity that cannot be sold in the market. It's priceless. You have to earn it. Do you believe? Yes. When you go to the market, you can't buy peace. It's not sold at the store. But you can make peace between you and your brother, your classmates, your family members, your work colleagues. So, I'm encouraging you, the young ones, to be at peace with yourself. Love yourself. Unite with yourself. Don't fight your classmates because of pencil, eraser, something. When you're having challenges in class, just tell your brother or report to your teacher. Please, madam, just so and so took my eraser. Please collect it for me. Do you get it?
Yes.
Don't fight your brother because of pencil, eraser. No, he might get hurt. Hospital bills are expensive. So, you have to be peaceful with your classmates. If you know something, a teacher gives assignment and you know, teach your brother. This is how it is. I understood when the teacher taught us in class. So that you all will pass. Do you believe that?
Yes.
Yes. Because you want to pass your exam, isn't it? You want your brother to fail. Do you want your brother to fail?
No.
So when you know, teach them so you all will pass and you go to higher level. So one day you can become a representative of any organization in this country, this continent, and this world at large. You understand? Yes. In the Bible, in the Matthew chapter 5 verse 9, he said the peacemakers are the children of God. He said what? The peacemakers are the children of
God.
Are you all children of God?
Yes.
So what do you have to do? You have to make peace. You have to do what?
Make peace.
You have to do what?
Make peace.
Yes. So you're all children of God, isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Let's start the lesson. Let's learn how to sing this song. It's very simple. When the kata mi sebe gbe.
Yes.
Ada gbegbe. Oba mi form ya Xɔnam. Mi sebe gbe. That those of you who have this speechless. Can I see those who have it? Then the national bridge mako. Okay, lady. Da Nyaja Goma. Appetite in Xɔnam. Mr. Xɔnam Goma. The Goma Goma day. The Goma Goma day. Save me. Clap for yourselves. Yes. So, not at our peace campaign project, helping consolidate Africa's peace. Helping what? Consolidate Africa's peace. You don't need peace only in our school, but the whole continent. If the continent is at peace, you are at peace to travel anywhere, visit your family members abroad, everywhere. But if there's no peace in the continent, you will not be able to travel. There will be soldiers and police everywhere. They will stop you from going out. Do you want that in this continent?
No.
Do you want that in this continent?
No.
So we have to start now before it's too late, so that we can have that freedom, that mandate to move about, transact our businesses, meet family and friends, go to our friends' birthday parties and graduation ceremonies. Isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much. So if you are ready, shall we be on our feet? Let's go. When I say, you say, Agbemenyawo Subo.
Agbemenyawo Subo.
Agbemenyawo Subo.
Agbemenyawo Subo.
Mi for mi Xɔnam lo.
Mi for mi Xɔnam lo.
Mi for mi Xɔnam dro.
Mi for mi Xɔnam dro.
Afrika vio novinyewo.
Afrika vio novinyewo.
Abidjan vio.
Abidjan vio.
Kenya vio.
Kenya vio.
Gabon vio.
Gabon vio.
Cameroon vio. Sierra Leone vio.
Cameroon vio. Sierra Leone vio.
Lebanon vio.
Lebanon vio.
Ghana.
Ghana.
Wokata.
Wokata.
Ahmed Amedekavio yemienya. Bleu. Mega Ijibe. For that. You guys are doing well. You are smart students, and I appreciate that. Okay, Saba. Before the Xornam draw. Before the Xornam low. Amedekavio yemienya. Bleu. Nigeria view. Benin view. Ghana. Togo view. Okata. Amedekavio yemienya. Bleu. Before the Xornam low. Before the Xornam draw. Benin view. Congo view. Nigeria. South Sudan. South Africa. Yakata. Amedekavio yemienya. Afrika. Amedekavio yemienya. Bleu. Okay, que evelia ba Afrika emiai. Makaye Xornami. Kana washiwo konkuma tokorogiode. Apalamba maklia. Amenovi. Politicians. Give us peace. World government. Great peace. Businessmen and women. Top peace. Terrorists. Lay down your arms in peace. Let there be dialogue that leads to peace. Ogenena Biko. Amenovi. Amedekavio yemienya. Bleu. You can say, I am African child. I stand for peace, love, and unity. Let's go.
I am African child.
I stand for peace, love, and unity. So let's go. I am an African child. Say to yourself. I am an African child. I stand for peace. Let me see you do like this. I stand for peace. Love. And unity. Love. And unity. Okay, so let's start. When I start, you follow me. Before me Xornam low. kabio mienya. Amade kabio mienya. Blow. Before me akona mulo. Before me akona mudro. Nigeria vivo, Benin vivo, Togo vivo, Ghana vivo, Okata, Amade kabio ninya, Amade kabio ninya, Bleu, South Africa vivo. Amade kabio mienya. Amade kabio mienya. Bleu. Hello. Afrika ewai. Afrika emiai. Makaye akonami. Say it to yourself. Makaye akonami. Nana washi wako kuma toko no biode. Akala mawanya. Amanobi. Amanobi. Amade kabio yemenya. Amade kabio yemenya. I am an African child. I stand for peace. I stand for peace. Love and unity. Love and unity. Love and unity. Let me see you all do the sign. Love and unity. Thank you so much.
Okay. Is there somebody here who has learned something from the song? Just lift your hands. What have you learned? Look at her strong. What have you learned? Hey. Okay. Yes.
Love and peace.
Love and peace. Is that true?
Yes.
Can we clap for him? Love and unity. Is that true?
Yes.
I want you to help me welcome our ambassador all the way from Suriname, Her Excellency Fidelis Grand Gashon.
How are you? Okay.
saying? Who hates you? Who hates you? What did I say? Who hates you? I knew it would come out like that. Who hates you? I said that in Trinidad and Tobago. That the same response I get. Who hates you? That is not what it is. It is, what is your name? You see, it's different from Dutch. I'm not a Dutch girl. I'm an African woman. Tell me, who am I? But I come from a country called Suriname. Do you know that country in Africa? Have you ever heard of that country before? Who heard of Suriname before in this place? Before I came? Before I came? No. People don't know this country. But let me tell you, 400 years ago, some Ewe people, young people from all over Africa were shipped away to a foreign place where they never knew. And one of those places is called United States of America, South America, the Caribbean, and one of those places is called Suriname. And that is where it is Dutch. Because the Dutch took Africans outside of the African continent and took them there as slaves. They enslaved them and they had to work hard. But some of them did not want to be slaves. And so they freed themselves and went to live in the forest far away, like for 3 months to walk on their feet to free themselves, and went to live in great rivers that looks like the Akpa River. And the river we crossed when I was coming here. They knew rivers and they knew islands in the rivers. And that is where I come from.